Hello. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create this kind of UI for controlling the facial setup. Okay, it's really easy with RDM Tools version 2. In this case, I will be doing the cheeks because I just received the feedback from the animator. So in this one, he wants to inflate the cheeks. He don't want to get the inflated. He just want like to move it like he's like this kind of movement. So with RDM2 we have this part already created. Yeah, everything in here works. So please let me just check something. I just want to know how chicks are spelled because Spanish, so I need to corroborate the words I don't know. So first of all, we're going to create the chicks text. Okay, create text. There we go. For now, I will put it right here. Later on, we are going to do it. I'm going to arrange that a little better. Okay. And now here we have the slider. The slider works like this. This is the size of the controller. It can go from 1 to 10 units. So we can do this kind of things. Like in here, if you see, it's going from -1 to 1. It's inverted. Okay. So from 1 to -1. That's it. Pretty simple. From 1 to whatever you want until 10. So this is going to be left underscore chicks. Okay, this is not going to be a square. It will not have negatives. It's just going to be one of these ones. Okay, create a slider. There we go. I have my group created. This is the left one, so go right here, and the right one. Create a slider. There we go. If you want to create it, that's going to change this name. If you want a square one, the square one will always have negatives. That's something about I didn't make like perfect yet, but you can just limit that information, okay? Or you can have, okay, the good example will be like this one, a square one with negatives, of course. And if you don't want a square one, you can have message only negative, so it will create this kind of slider. Okay, maybe you don't like this form, maybe you are more into like just align. You can modify it, and there you go. You can have this kind of setup. Some people like this. I prefer to have the whole square, but it's up to you. You can change the colors also if you want. It's pretty customizable. Okay, now once we are here, let me just put 4 so it looks better. It's easy if you do it from the front view. Okay, this is what I want for now. These two are going to be inside here. And how to connect this stuff? You can connect it the way you want. I usually like Node Editor or Expression Editor in this case because it's a simple thing, just one from 0 to 1 is going to be Node Editor because it's fastest to compute. I'm going to clean it so you can see how the Node Editor works if you don't know that. I will need this and this, so I'm just going to make them go here and press the letter P. If you press the letter P, it will pin it to the grid, also the number 3, and make them bigger. Okay, we're going to delete this from the view. Don't press delete. If you press delete, it's going forever, like you will not recover that. You can do Ctrl C, but you need to go with this minus button in here. And I also need the blend shape. So wow, that meant I need the joints smaller. There you go. I also need the blend shapes. In order to select this node, you can go to Attribute Editor find the node, I don't know where it is, or just go here to the main body plane shape, control, right click, select node, and you are selecting the plane shape. Okay, if you see him here, this is the plane shape I need. You just need to press the plus button in here and you are gone, you are done. Okay, just pressing the 3 again and the P again. I need the weights, left cheek inflate and right cheek inflate. Okay, this is the translate in C, so you can do that and you are ready. But this is not like if you need to change the blend shape or anything. I'm not really into this, so I'm going to make a multiply divide. So I'm prepared. If the animator told me you need to do it bigger, smaller, I just change some numbers if needed. So translate C, go to input X, and output X going to left cheek. And this is going to be multiplied, and for now it's going to be 1, maybe 2 for try it. No, 1 is okay. And the other one, I connected the right one to this. I need to change this. Okay, there we go. You're going to use the same node for the other one. So this is going to be 6 only multi. Okay. And this is translate Y, output Y, input Y, sorry, output Y, go to left check and also 1. Okay, there we go. If we check it, let me just create, sorry, I need another perspective. I don't have another camera. I won't be using. Okay, just let me see. Up and down, it's inflating the cheek. Okay, that will be it. This is really easy to do, really easy. If you want to use expressions, you can do it. I have the complex one by expressions because it's easier. Just control paste and there you go. This is how you clamp. You write, for example, you need it to move from 0 to 1, you can clamp it. And if it's negative, you just put the negative for the attribute and you are done. I'm going to leave this here, make it bigger. So if you want to do it, you can copy the just this. Okay, so have a nice day. If you want to try the tool, let me know in the comments and I will send it to you. It's not all ready yet. I have this made, this made, this made, and this one, only these 2 buttons are made. The rest is in progress. I don't know if I'm going to change this or what. And the contact, I don't know if it is working, so I think it is. But that will be it for the video. Thank you for watching and hope it helps in your projects. Bye.